Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this sunset on a beach. Alright, let's run through the colors. Queen red, burnt sienna, primary yellow, cad yellow, phthalo green, turquoise, titanium white, Mars black.
Let's get the party started.
Alright, we just finished up this little sunset. I think it went pretty well. I mean, I've been a month off, so you get really rusty if you don't practice pretty frequently. This is a really nice dark area here to contrast the lights kind of pulling through the clouds here right at sunset. We have the ocean kind of breaking here. I'm kind of okay with it. It looks a little crazy like orange in the photo, and you're like, the waves look orange. But it's always a reflection of the sky, so you're going to have some of that. I probably could add some of the blue white caps and then maybe contrast that. You got the nice clouds coming through. It's kind of purple, bluish, and kind of played with that back and forth. Still left it really loose to kind of give that feel of a painterly feel. Hopefully you guys like it. I like it, and hope to see you on the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.